I want to write a book. My life story is just like a film climax. I have an interesting life story. I have so much to share to the world. Maybe one day I will write a book. I want to write a book. I have got so many things to share. But I'm not able to finalize which topic should I write the book. What should be the topic? Should it be fiction? Should it be self-help? I am doing so many things. But I don't know. I want to write a book. I have the topic also in my mind, but my English is not that great. My English is not that great. And even if I work on my English, I struggle to put the thoughts in a structured format. How do I do that? But I want to write a book for sure. Hi guys, मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट दोस्त और बुक राइटिंग कोच तन्मय. What do you think about the first part of the video? These are the self-limiting beliefs that stops you from taking action. Now, when you are trapped in these self-limiting beliefs, you really don't know whether these are real objections or these are something which your mind has created, right? Now you might be thinking, how can these be self-limiting doubts? These are like real, genuine problems that I'm facing. And let me explain you this self-limiting doubt, self-limiting concept a little bit with the help of an experience which you would have, I'm sure, would have seen that. Have you seen the rope through which an elephant is tied, right? वो रस्सी जिससे हाथी को बांधा जाता है. It's a very small rope with the help of which such a huge animal like a elephant is tied onto. Don't you think that elephant with its power can take that out in just one shot? It can, obviously, but what stops making that elephant take that action? That's the self-limiting belief, because from childhood that baby elephant has been taught, or that idea has been ingrained in his mind. If you look at a young elephant, when he or she is tied with that rope through through that thing which holds the rope together, they would try and break free. वो बहुत कोशिश करता है उस रस्सी को तोड़ने की, बट वो रस्सी उससे टूटती नहीं है. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम उसको वो रियलाइज़ हो जाता है कि यार मैं ये रस्सी को तोड़ ही नहीं सकता, और उसे ये पता नहीं चलता कि कब वो बड़ा हो गया है. दैट एलिफेंट डजंट रियलाइज दैट हाउ क्विकली he has or she has grown into a big and a powerful giant which can break that rope anytime. And because that self-limiting belief has been ingrained in his mind or her mind, that elephant never takes an action. So that is the power of a self-limiting belief. And all these things that you're not able to find a topic, you're not able to your English is not that great, or your language is not that great, you're not able to put those thoughts into structures, are all your limiting beliefs. There is a writer inside you. There is a writer inside you, and that's the job of a coach, of a person who knows how to get that writer out of you, how to get that giant from inside you. I was not a trained writer. Okay, I wrote my first book. Took 5 years for me to write that first book, and my last book, which is my fourth book, I took only 6 months to write that. I learned from the mistakes, and that's what I'm going to end my video today with. That if you know someone who can really help you get out of those limiting beliefs, and you want to write a book, and you have a coach in your mind, please go ahead and take help from him or her, whomsoever that may be. So I can help you with your book. I can help you identify that writer inside you. So I'm inviting you for a talk with me free of cost by clicking on the link that I'm sharing with this window, and I love to help you so that you're able to write, publish, and become a bestseller author. Okay, so click on the link, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.